Attending workshops online in Microsoft Teams is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Google Chrome and type Microsoft Teams in the search bar. After that, click on the Microsoft Teams website link. Once the Microsoft Teams website dashboard is open, click on the Download for Desktop button. Following this, click on the Download Teams button and proceed to install Microsoft Teams. Once the installation is complete, open the application. When the Microsoft Teams dashboard appears, click on the New Meeting button. Enter your meeting name and click on Get a Link. Copy the generated link and share it with your participants. You can also share the link via email. After that, click on the Start Meeting button to initiate the meeting. Click on the Join Now button to enter the meeting. Within the meeting interface, you can control your microphone by toggling it on or off. Similarly, you can activate or deactivate your camera by clicking on the camera icon. Furthermore, you can access the People button to add participants by clicking on the tick option. You can also use the Raise Hand button to signal that you have a question or something to say. To engage in written communication, click on the Chat button. Write your message and then click on Send to transmit it. Additionally, you can use emojis to express yourself. If you need to share a file, click on the Attach button and select Upload from this device. When you wish to exit the meeting, click on the Leave button. This will conclude the meeting. And that's it. So, this is how you can attend workshops online in Microsoft Teams.